Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you the editing process and retouching process of a portrait which I downloaded from devenar.com, and I'll provide you the download link for your practice purpose. So retouching is a fun actually, and you're getting the lots of things over there. Sometimes you need to add some like detail in a face, texture, or sometimes you might be make it smooth and all the stuff. So today I'll show you something little bit texture in a face and everything like natural looks with some little bit of color correction and other things. So if you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notification. It will help me out to inspire and make the next video. Okay, so going to the file at first and then open up. So I downloaded some stock images from devenar.com, and I'll provide you the download link for your practice purpose. Suppose this photo, and press Ctrl or Command J. Here the light is not good in this photo. So how to do that, how to fix it up actually? At first just going to the filter and going to the camera filter. So from the camera filter I'll just doing the color correction, like highlight down, so color is good now, and then hit OK. So after that going to the filter and then portraiture 3. So this one is the plugins to retouch the photos like smooth skin, and if you want you can give the texture and other else. I made here some settings like a fine 10 plus 10, and that is the medium plus 15, the like large 18, and the threshold 26, and the smoothing 87, and the portrait size that is 100, and then all the other stuff is like that, 66, 9% opacity, and fuzziness 0. And let's see the enhancements, and 100% for the enhancement, and the sharpness and the softness and the whites -9, tint and everything like this. So hit the OK button. You are getting the smooth skin, but that is not enough, because of here some you are getting all is good, but I want to make some like color adding, color correction and everything. So here is color lookup options. From here I'll use a Kodak type photo filter and making this Kodak into like down opacity 14. That's good. And now again going to the filter and camera filter. In this portion I'll add some little bit of texture, and then clarity I'll make it a little bit of down, and then here going to the color mixture and adding some saturation from the red. Actually red is the lips color, that's why I'm adding this one, that is highlighted at first to the audience. And if I change the hue, it could be like this. That's natural, little bit of natural. Okay, that's good. Luminance of the red I'll make it a little bit down, and the orange and yellow as well. So that's good, and then hit OK. So after that I'll make some like dodge and burn process. Those are amazing. Press Ctrl J and J. So two options, another one is highlight, another one is shadow. So H for highlight, S for shadow. This one I'll make the blending mode into screen, right press and blending options. From here I'll find out the shadow area. Okay, highlight area actually. So I got the highlight area like this and hit OK. That's good. And making it mask, image and apply images and hit OK. So another one is shadow. I'll make this one into multiply, right place, blending options. From here I'll change up or finding out the shadow, or press Alt or Option button, the slider will divide and hit OK, and then mask it out, and then image and apply image. In this case I'll make this one invert like this and hit OK. Two things, making it group and giving the name DB. Which one is the dodge and burn actually? So after that mask it again, going to the image and apply image. From here uncheck the invert option and hit OK. So before and after you are getting like this, and if you want you can change it up little bit of opacity down. It will provide you the more prominent things, which is really good. And color lookup is nice over there. And if you want, you can add some vignetting and other stuff. So let's see the before one and after one. You are getting the huge change, the texture in a face, and the retouches. Everything is nice. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.